If you have unripe mangoes, you can ripen them quickly at home. The unripe mangoes are hard to touch and no or very less smell. In the first method, wrap the mango in a newspaper and place in the kitchen or in a warm area. Including a fruit that emits ethylene gas like a banana or apple or pear in the newspaper will speed up the ripening process by 1 or 2 days. This is the best way to ripen a mango quickly. The second method is to bury the mango in hay or dried grass in a box. You can make a few holes on the side of the box or keep the lid open for air circulation. By the above methods, the mangoes can take from 2 to 7 days to ripen, depending on its present ripeness. The fully ripe mango will have a sweet fragrant smell.